Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change gun skins in Pragmata. So once you have played through prologue, you're gonna unlock the shelter and from here we'll be able to change our gun skins. So inside the shelter we need to go inside this place. So we need to just go here and then we'll be able to find this capsule. Just press triangle on PlayStation, Y on Xbox or F key on your keyboard to open this menu. From this menu we need to select weapon loadout and then we need to select equipped weapons. Now you will see all of the guns you have equipped. So I have this tactical unit gun, primary unit and attack unit. Select the weapon which skin you want to change. So I want to change skin for my primary unit. I'll just select the weapon from here. So this is the gun which is grip gun. I haven't played the game that much, that's why I haven't unlocked many skins. So if you unlock skins, then they will be shown here in the order and you can just select the skin which you want to use. Since I haven't unlocked the skins, I won't be able to change my skins. So just follow this process for changing skins for any of the weapon and just back out from here and the skin for your weapon will be changed. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.